Oh, ladies and girls, boys and gentlemen of every age, color, shape, and size. I am 100% pooped. I'm whooped. I've probably sneezed 80 times today. It's springtime. You can probably tell that my eyes look a little strange and funky. And I've been working all day. Chores and outside work. Nothing but the best. Today is a great day in the USA. I'm just very glad for this day because I made money. If you can see in here, this is my secret stash of everything because I think that no one will suspect to look for money in a cooler. But now you know. So all of you robbers out there, this is what my cooler looks like, and I keep all my stuff in there. So you're welcome to come and rob that anytime you'd like. Just kidding. What is today? This whole video log I've been working on remembering what the day is, and the date is April, May. It's May 6, 7, 8. I think it's the 8th. I think so. It is May the 8th. So I love you so much. 2018, here we go. I love you, bye.